Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Survi and thank you so much for supporting me always. If you're someone who is new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe my channel below because that is really gonna mean a lot to me and I really need your support. So, without carrying any further delay, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I will be talking about hair care. Not only hair care, but especially hair care for your hair fall. What products did I use for my hair fall? Now, past few months, I could say that my hair were not doing so great. Okay, you all know that like I have a hair which is like very silky and straight, but I don't know how my hair didn't show up such like in a such bad phase ever. But since now I don't know what was really wrong with my hair, but maybe due to some climatic changes, environmental problems, or maybe few eating habits that didn't go the right way, and ultimately my hair shows up and they started falling. And I was suffering from severe hair fall, like literally if I walk from this distance to that distance, I used to feel like all over hair. I know that sounds yuck, but that was the truth. And I know that all of us face that. Like, एक बार भी comb किया, so you know इतने सारे बाल निकल जाएंगे that we get scared. Obviously, it is our hair. Feel होने लगता है यार. But I'm glad that I met few products and they really helped. Now, if you all know me, you'll know that I don't use a lot of products, like literally not too many products, but I do use very specific products, like very limited specific products. So I have few products right here which I called for when after a lot of research. So definitely do your own research. I researched for these products like for 3 to 4 days back to back, like daily. 3 to 4 continuous days I was working on these products. I was like looking for them, searching, reading so many articles, what ingredients they have, will they work for my hair or not. Like so many questions were there in my head, and I looked for for an answer to all of these questions. And I'm glad that I met with these products. Now the plus point is I always come up with affordable products. So these are one of them. They are super affordable. And by affordable, I like don't mean that they will cause harm to your hair because they are very cheap. No, it is not like that. They are affordable in their way, but they have really good ingredients to look for. And I am sure that you guys will love to stick till the end and know more about them. Now, when I was dealing with the hair fall, I talked to a lot of friends, and one of my friend who is a blogger, she helped me out. She told me that masking your hair is really important, which I after a time I also realized that yes, she is right. As our face need face mask or face pack, our hair also need mask. So I used to DIY few hair masks, and I'm going to soon upload a video on that too. But like really a good amount of hair mask or hair cream was essential. So I would recommend that if you're someone who is falling with a hair, like who is dealing with a hair fall, please highly recommended. Don't only rely on your shampoos or conditioner. Start doing something extra and start using a hair cream or a hair mask, you can say, you can call it, because that is going to give extra nourishment, protein to your scalp, which is really required. We don't understand, we feel that ye khaya wo khaya to ho jayega, which is right, but till a certain extent. Okay, it has a limit also. We don't know that हम जो खा रहे हैं उसमें हमें सब कुछ मिल रहा है या नहीं. And these creams are meant for that. They are meant for your hair fall. They are meant for your scalp, for your hair care. So apply them once. Trust me, it's amazing. So let's get started with the videos. I will link down all the details, all the links to these products in the description box so that you can get your hands on them. And definitely do check this out if you are someone who is suffering from a severe hair fall. This is for you. First product that I will be showing you is by Himalaya. Now I called for these two products. Okay, one is the protein hair cream for extra nourishment, which nourishes your hair and keeps hair healthy, and the other one is anti hair fall cream, which reduces hair fall and promotes hair growth. So this is specifically meant for hair fall, and this is a like extra nourishment, like a protein cream. And the best part is these are super affordable, but they are like not meant for girl or boys. both can use it. It's a hair cream, so yeah. Now this is for rupees 80, this is also for rupees 80, and I got it on sale on Nykaa, and this was of 70. So just understand, 100 rupees के अंदर आपको इतना अच्छा हेयर क्रीम मिल रहा है, and that is of Himalaya, and I'm not even kidding. Trust me on this. This is a bomb product, literally a bomb product. And how you can apply it is very simple. You just need to take certain amount. You can see the texture. Now this is my second purchase. Okay, you can see the texture of this cream. I hope it's visible. It's like Nivea cream का जो texture होता है, like a normal creamy consistency, but this is not very heavy or very sticky on your scalp. Okay, it's like a normal hair cream, and you just need to take generous amount and properly roots पे लगाना है. Okay, and till your tips. Like it's not a conditioner that you just need to apply on the ends of your hair. No, you can gently, evenly spread it all over your scalp, massage it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then bring it till your tip. Okay, like all over your hair like a hair mask, and after 30 minutes wash your hair. So apply this before washing your hair and after washing your hair also. After washing your hair, you just need a tiny amount, and just like your serum that we put after our hair wash, just like that, you're good to go. Trust me, after I use this product, like I wash my hair now for twice a week. Yeah, I used to like wash them very alternately, but now I just wash them twice a week, and I use these products. So basically I use this twice, and I can tell you that my hair fall has reduced, literally reduced, and almost gone. It has reduced to that extent. And this one, which is like specific for anti-hair fall, this is 100 ml, and it has Bringaraja and Amla, which is obviously very good for your scalp. And this one is a extra nourishment protein cream. It has chickpea and amla. So amla has a good benefit on your hair, on your eyes, all. So definitely a good product, and only for 80 rupees, then it's more. I want to say that stop washing your hair every day. Either do it alternate days पे, या फिर twice or thrice in a week is enough, because you know बार बार shampoo भी use करेंगे, chemicals होगा and all of that. So it's better that you reduce your chemical usage. Other thing, try to switching on to the shampoos, which like if you are dealing with your hair fall, use shampoos which are meant for hair fall, like for treating them. And I use like 2 to 3 shampoos. Like on daily basis I use Dove. Definitely I know that Dove doesn't suit to every scalp, but for me it works amazingly. So for daily basis, like when normal days pe, usual days pe, when I wash my hair, I use Dove. And specifically when I am someone, like when I am dealing with my hair fall, I have switched to Pantene. Now this is what I got from Nykaa, and this is I guess for 500 rupees. I got it on sale for 450 or 400, something like that. And it came with the same range of conditioner. So they both are Pantene Advanced Hair Solution Hair Fall Control Shampoo and Hair Fall Control Conditioner. So together both works amazingly. Obviously go for a shampoo and conditioner of same range, because then together they functions properly and really very quick and fast for the better results. That's it. And now this is like, I know it is not a very natural one. It is Pantene. It has few chemicals, but to a certain extent, and this will definitely help you in your hair fall, because it has worked amazingly for me, literally amazingly for me. So a big yes to these products if you want to get your hands on them. Other days पे आप लोग natural shampoos के लिए जा सकते हो according to whatever shampoo your hair type suits to. But especially when you are dealing with your hair fall, reduce the chemical usage, go for more natural. Or if you are using a chemical one, go for Pantene, because this is really good. Or with someone else that you like or you might have used. Other hair masks that I have tried on, and I have, one is Mamaearth. Now we know about the hype. I know the hype about this product. All of us has heard about it, and this is the onion hair mask with onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. Now this is for especially hair fall control, and the best part about it is paraben and silicone free. It is dermatologically tested and with bioactives. so it is very natural, literally very natural. You can use it. This retails for 599. Yes, so it is like for 600. I got it on sale, so obviously I got it cheaper, but a full big tub of a natural product for your hair fall, like a proper hair mask, is really good. 600 bucks. And don't worry, if even if it has an onion oil, this is not gonna cause you, like give you that stinky or गंदी सी smell जो आती है onion की, वो नहीं आने वाली है. The reason is इस vinegar use हुआ है, and it balances out and cuts off the smell of onion. So only you will get at the end of the day is onions के benefit and not the smell. Now this comes in a very heavy texture, definitely, so you need to melt it down by your fingers and then apply gently all over your scalp. And then the same way, hair masks are like that. You need to first massage it gently on your scalp and then to your tips, and also same consistency. And this is a little thicker. The Himalaya one is lighter and cheaper. This is a little expensive, but when it comes to a hair mask, it is really amazing. एंड बहुत लोगों के लिए ये वर्क नहीं किया है. बहुत लोग हैं जो कहते हैं हमारे लिए वर्क नहीं किया, बट फॉर मी इट वर्कड अमेजिंगली. सो येस, नाउ यू विल बी लाइक टू यूज़ कौन सा करते हो स्पेसिफिकली, हिमालया या ये? आई वुड से दैट आई यूज़ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. मैं अपने बालों को कोई भी एक चीज़ का हैबिट नहीं डालती हूँ. आई कीप ऑन स्विचिंग. So 2 to 3 weeks I will use one type of hair mask, then other day पे मैं कुछ change कर लूँगी. बट किसी ने भी मुझे कोई भी, मतलब आई गिव अ टाइम टू सर्टेन प्रोडक्ट टू सी दैट इट वर्क्स फॉर मी और नॉट, देन आई स्विच. ओके, एंड ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि इनमें से किसी ने भी कुछ साइड इफेक्ट दिखाया होगा. अदर हेयर मास्क और हेयर क्रीम इज़ द हर्बल हेयर क्रीम फ्रॉम खादी नेचुरल. ये मैंने अपने स्टोरी पे इतने बार डाला था, इतने बार, दैट आई कैन नॉट come over this. And this is for 210 rupees, cheaper one, and it is clinically proven. It is dermatologically tested, and it is Ayurvedic. It is made from Ayurvedic recipe and Khadi natural, so it's 100% natural. It is recycle and 100% veg, and what else? And not tested on animals. That is good. So it smells amazingly heavenly, literally. And Khadi natural has my trust. I have used their so many products, and I can tell you that yes, a big yes for this also. So अभी तक आप लोगों ने देखा होगा मेरे पास जितने भी हेयर मास्क या फिर हेयर क्रीम्स है, दे आर सुपर अफोर्डेबल. कोई भी लाइक सिर्फ एक ही है जो 500 से अप है, दैट इज ऑल्सो 600 एंड नॉट थाउजेंड्स तक. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ऐसा नहीं है जो मैंने अपने बालों में स्पेंड किया होगा. सो डेफिनेटली अ बिग येस. आई एम गोइंग टू लिंक दीज प्रोडक्ट्स in the description box. Please go and check this out. Something very interesting जो मैं भी बहुत excited थी when I called for it, because मैंने सिर्फ हर जगह पढ़ा था रिव्यूज़ एंड देखा था लोगों को यूज़ करते हुए, और पर्सनली मैंने कभी ऐसा कोई सप्लीमेंट यूज़ नहीं किया है. सो आई वॉज रियली वेरी एक्साइटेड. सो आर यू रेडी? दिस इज दिस gummies. Now you have heard about, I'm sure, about the gummies that comes in a bear shape and you eat that. It like candy kind of jelly feels, and that is for your extra protein for your hair, for your body. So I called for these. This retails for 399, like 400 rupees, and it has, I guess, how many tablets? I forgot. This is my like, I guess, second purchase. Yeah, the first one I have completed. Like it was like for a month. Yes, it comes like 30 to 31 candies होती है एक में, and that is specifically for a month. And so you have to take it daily one and not more than that. And this is in strawberry flavor. This is the Purna gummies, by the way. And every ingredient and the amount and the proportion of what they gives to you and कौन से age के लोग ले सकते हैं, everything is mentioned over here. And it is free of fats, saturated fats, cholesterol, and milk, eggs, soy, and all of that. So it's just free of all of those things. It is not for medicinal use, definitely. And what else you want to know? So it's women's multivitamin, gluten free, which is important. It's 30 gummies and dietary supplement. Okay, so these are like not gonna cost you a lot, and they are literally good when, if you are 18 plus and watching this video, you are suffering for hair fall or lacking behind, like due to your hustling life, you are not able to take that extra protein, this is going to help you. And trust me, मैं अभी आज मैंने खाई नहीं है तो I can have one and I can show it to you all. See, so tiny, cute, ऐसा एक बेयर जैसे इसमें आती है शेप में, and this is like a jelly, sugar coated jelly kind of, but it has like no gluten, no sugar like that, and I can show it to you all. These are so yummy, you will feel like कि बहुत सारी grab करके खा लो एक साथ, but you do not need to do that because this is basically your protein supplement and you just need one candy a day, one gummy a day, and it's enough. And it comes with a card also. I think mine is somewhere outside. So they want you to keep a track, you know, each day पे so that you will see the progress. So see, this is how it looks. And it's super yummy, trust me, it's super yummy. So yeah, I feel that's it for this video. The extra tip to your hair fall is that drink lots of water, do not use a lot of chemical products, and take care of yourself. Keep doing masking every time you wash your hair. Use serum, eat properly, literally have lots of fruits and fibers, proteins, take lots of fibers and proteins into your body, because that is really going to show up on your skin, on your hair, on your entire body. So that is it. I hope this video was good enough. I know it was not that entertaining, but I just wanted to show you all the products that I have used for my hair fall. And if you have any doubts, any queries regarding all of these, you can talk to me anytime. You can DM me on my Instagram handle, it is right here. And I'll see you next time with more such videos. Let me know what next you want to see, and I'll be coming up with more videos. Bye.